StarRatings helps you research and compare the quality of care, safety and services of aged care homes across Australia. Each residential aged care home is given an overall star rating, as well as ratings in 4 subcategories: residents' experience, compliance, staffing, and quality measures. Residents' experience is based on anonymous feedback from people living in aged care homes. Around 20% of residents are surveyed each year. Compliance is how well the home is meeting its obligations to provide safe, quality care and services. Staffing measures the amount of care provided to residents by nurses and care workers. Quality measures looks at areas of health that are important indicators of care quality, like pressure injuries, unplanned weight loss, falls, the use of restrictive practices such as physical restraint, and how medicines are used. But what do the stars mean? A 1-star rating means significant improvement is needed. A 2-star rating means improvement is needed. 3 stars means an acceptable quality of care. 4 stars means a good quality of care. 5 stars is the highest rating, reflecting an excellent quality of care. Ratings are updated regularly based on the most recent available data. To start using star ratings to research and compare aged care homes, visit health.gov.au/StarRatings and click on the Find a Provider tool. This will take you to the My Aged Care website. You can search for an aged care home provider by name or location. Select Aged Care Homes in the Care Type drop-down menu and select your preferred room type. You can narrow your search based on things that are important to you, such as specialised care, health support and language. You can also compare up to 3 different aged care homes based on their star ratings. Using star ratings is a good first step in the early stages of aged care planning to shortlist homes that could meet your needs. You can also contact each home directly for more information on yours or your loved one's specific needs and to check availability. For more information about star ratings for residential aged care homes, visit health.gov.au/StarRatings.